I did say I wasn't going to remove this flywheel, but I've decided against it, because I need to get behind there to paint and clean, and around the back of the flywheel. It'd be a damn sight easier if it was off. So I bought a key puller. It's £20 off eBay, but it's well worth it. It's rather heavy duty. It's high tensile steel, and once you bought it once, you don't need to buy it again because you've already got it next time round. But it's a fairly good key, but it is sort of bent round the head of the key, so I'm going to file that flat. And it's had plenty of WD-40 on it, so hopefully it shouldn't be too hard to get off. So we'll give it a go. I'm not going to repaint round this spec plate. I want to paint it properly, and these are hammer and rivets they're held in with, so it's a lot of work to centre punch them, drill into them, put a self-tapping screw in and screw them out. A much easier way is just to turn them upside down and get a punch and just knock them out. And it doesn't damage. If you drill them, you risk, if your centre punch isn't too good, you risk going off and scratching all your spec plate. So, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot easier just to get a punch and knock them out. And you can see how simple that was. Just a punch in there, 1 or 2 taps from a punch, and the rivets have now come out like that. See? So there's no fuss and bother with centre punching, drilling, tapping in self-tapping screws. Just a punch it out from behind, and there you go, job's done.